Hello everyone, today we're going to be creating some dice using setback features in our fillet tools. So we're going to want to create a sketch on the front plane here by right clicking it and just creating a sketch. And I'm going to just use a center rectangle tool, and then I'm going to just dimension that out real quick to maybe, what do you guys think? We can do 2. The idea is we want to create a 2x2 cube, because we want to make some dice. And of course this is not to scale, this is just to show you guys what to use. If you guys had some 2-inch dice, that'd be pretty intense. So I'm going to exit back out of my smart dimension, go to my features tab, extrude boss, because again we want to be adding material, and because we're making a cube I'll make that 2, and then we can go ahead and check that out. Perfect. So now we got our cube here, and like I said, we're going to be using our fillets tool, and we do have that in our sketch tab. But that's sketches are 2D and we're working in a 3D environment, so we're going to go back to our features tab, and in our ribbon up here you'll have fillets, and we're going to keep working. You can see I'm in my full round fillet. We're going to keep working in our constant size fillets. This is kind of like the most common fillet you guys are going to be using, and I'll show you why, because it is pretty powerful. So I can select all my lines, or I can just select my faces. I'll do that. There's easier ways to do it. You can select them all at once if you wanted to, but I'm doing this just for the purpose of the tutorial. And then in my parameters here, down here in the bottom left, I'm going to click the vertex option here, and I'm going to select all of my corners. Now what's really cool about this is I don't actually have to move my part around, because I can just kind of slide down and click that hidden vertex back there. Or you guys can move your part, whichever you're more comfortable with. Perfect. Now you're going to click Set All, and you're going to see how our corners, they moved a bit. We're changing the actual radius of our corners with these vertexes. So if I change the setback parameter, that dimension there, and we'll do what, 0.6? Let's see how that looks. Now you can click off, and most of the time other things will update, but you actually have to click Set All to actually see the preview, and that looks really nice. So we'll go ahead and check that out, and there you go. That's using setback parameters to create some dice. Now you guys can click on this face here, create a sketch, click normal 2, and you guys can go ahead and just make a dot in the middle of this thing. There we go. And I'm just using the guidelines that I'm given to try and go back up here. You guys can just kind of go make some dots, go to features, extrude cut. Obviously we don't want to go through all, we just kind of want to go in maybe 0.10. And then there you go. You know, that's 1 point, and you guys can go and change the appearance real quick by right clicking the appearance. We want to change the face. So we'll go ahead and click that. Make it black. Change right here. Boom, there you go. So that's making some dice. You guys can finish it off. Show me the creations you make. Kind of create this dice however you want. If you guys want to get rid of all these lines, you can go to display style and just get rid of the lines, and there you go. Ain't that pretty cool? I think it is. So if this video helped you guys out, let me know. We'll be going over a whole bunch of different types of techniques that you guys can use to create parts much easier than what some of the other people are going through. So hope this helped. Have a great one. Bye.